Hello and welcome traders, welcome to Precious Pip. So let's start today's analysis. Today is September 5th, Friday. So the last trading day of this week, and today is a very important trading day. So we have high impact news events, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. So today is a very important high volatile day. So make sure you watch this full video and make sure you hit that like button. So today is NFP. So as you can see traders, this is a very important news event. So this is change in number of employed people during the previous month. Okay, so this is a calculation number of employed people. Okay, so total number of employed people. So as you can see, August 1 it was 73k, but the actual forecast was 106k. Okay, so recent month it was less than forecast. Okay, so as you can see, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So what is this month forecast? Let's have a look. So traders, as you can see, this month forecast is 75k. Okay, so recent month was 73k and this month forecast is 2k higher than recent month. Okay, and actual greater than forecast, that means we need greater than 75k this month, then it will be good for the currency. That means it will be good for the US dollar and the gold. We can see some bearish momentum. Okay, so if it's less than this amount, then it will be not good for gold. Sorry, it will be not good for US dollar and the gold. We can see some bullish momentum. Okay, so got it. So let's move on to our charts. So traders, this was yesterday charts. Okay, so I don't change anything traders. Okay, so I am fully transparent, so you can check my yesterday analysis video. I already mentioned traders that from this previous day low we can create some bullish momentum, and as you can see traders, whole day price market created that bullish upwards direction. So I didn't suggested selling yesterday, so you can check my video analysis yesterday's. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel for daily updates. So traders, let's jump on to today's analysis. Okay, so this is 1 hour chart, and as you can see the trend lines is same. Okay, and this liquidity levels also same here. All right, so what are the updates? So as you can see, this is the higher high, all-time higher high, 3578. Okay, so this is very important level, and also this is the final liquidity for the sellers. Okay, so above this or prior this there is no history. Okay, so this is all-time high. This is called as no man's land. Okay, so here there is no prior history. So as you can see, this is the liquidity level for us. So people selling from here, okay, here they have all the stop losses above this all-time high. Okay traders, so this is the all-time high. They have all the stop losses above. So 3579, they have stop losses 3579, 3580. Okay, so this is a very important liquidity level for us. And down below, this is the liquidity level. Okay, so after breaking the trend line, and I also explained you yesterday traders, as you can see in the 4 hours time frame. So this was the momentum, this was the big bullish momentum. Okay, which break past all the prior resistance, as you can see, and the all-time high. It break past each and everything. So there are buyers here. Okay, so very aggressive buyers. So this trend line is very important. Okay, so as you can see, this is the main trend line. After the breakout of this trend line only, we are looking for that sell trend. Okay, we are looking for that sell opportunity after breaking this trend line, and this is previous day high and low. I have already marked, I'm sorry, I forgot. As you can see, low and high. Okay, I have already marked. So keep it simple, traders. I hope you are earning money with my analysis, and if you need my premium VIP signals and analysis, then make sure you join my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So as you can see, traders, this is the main move. Okay, this is the main move. So after breaking this move only, we are looking for some sell opportunities. Okay, so until then we are up, bullish uptrend. So today, very simple analysis, trader. One more trend line we can add from here. As you can see, I'll show you from here like this. Okay, this, or maybe from here. Okay, no problem. So like this you can draw a trend line. This is just for reference purpose. Okay, just for that visual reference purpose. So as you can see, trader, this trend line is also connected from here, okay, and this trend line is different. Okay, so this trend line is also for reference purpose, and today I have added another trend line, this one. Okay, so price is currently rejecting from here. So after the break of this trend line, and this is a selling level. Okay, so yellow one is a selling level. So as you can see, price started selling aggressive from this range. Okay, so this is a selling range. Again price went sell side, again price went sell side. So for that buy trend, for that buy opportunity, we need breakout above this level and the daily high. Okay, and after the breakout of this trend line, we are looking for sell trend, okay, below. But after the breakout and retracement, okay, after the breakout and retracement, we are looking for a sell trend. And if above, we break above this yellow zone, okay, yellow zone, then we will be targeting this liquidity and all-time high. Okay, so we will be looking for all-time high more and more. So let's see what happens, traders. Okay, so each and every single update I will update in my Telegram channel, so make sure you are updated over there. Okay, so keep it simple, traders. So the news event will take place in the US session. Okay, so make sure you are updated in my Telegram channel. So join the Telegram channel, link is in the description. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated. I'll catch you in next video. Till then, peace out.